Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new BMW M5 in the shop. It's getting a brand new Valvetronic exhaust and it won't sound like a vacuum.
That's right. Anti-vacuum cleaner mode around here.
What do they got? Carbon tips?
So they sent two sets. They sent carbon and titanium. We're going to use the carbon ones. Probably valves. I saw the guys at Valvetronic posted a video of one of these that had this exhaust and a set of downpipes as well. It's pretty gnarly.
I bet it was spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, see all that discoloration?
Oh yeah, definitely titanium.
Yep.
So this is the magic piece right here.
Yeah.
This piece is interesting.
They said, we know M5s on the F10s blew up, so we're gonna stiffen this up. I would be the crackhead that pulled this down and powder coated it if it was my car.
Dude, the sounds this car is making is crazy. Okay, so time to see what this sounds like driving. So you gonna do valves open to see what she's got?
Valves open.
All right, cool.
I think everybody knows what it sounds like closed.
Yeah, pretty quiet.
It's quiet, so.
Yeah, open. All right, let's go. So that is it for the new BMW M5 Valvetronic exhaust. If you guys want to see more BMW content, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to buy this exhaust. We have a link in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.